Githeri.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Peace. Well, today I'll be making a Kenyan dish called Githeri. So let's go. So right here we have our maize, and here we have beans. I'll just mix our beans with the maize and then let them boil for about 10 minutes. So for our recipe today, we are not adding a lot of things. We have onions, tomatoes, and some Irish. So I'll go ahead and peel the Irish. Well, these ones have been boiling for about 10 minutes. Right now I'll go ahead and start frying them. So in our saucepan, I'll go ahead and add cooking oil. Then I'll drop in the Irish. I'll put in the salt. I always let the Irish cook through for a few minutes. So I'll go ahead and add in the onions. Now that the onions have started turning brown, I'll go ahead and add in the tomatoes. And then I'll cover. So right now that our tomatoes are tender, I'll go ahead and add in curry powder. Then I'll go ahead and add in garlic. So right now I'll go ahead and add in our spices. In our spices here we have some cinnamon, some cumin powder, and then some coriander. I'll go ahead and pour all of it. Then I'll stir. The tomatoes were little, but it's okay. I'll just scoop some soup from the beans. It's what I'll add. Then I'll go ahead and pour in our mixture of beans and maize. Then I'll add in some more soup. So right here we have our roiko. I'll just go ahead and mix it in some little water. And then I'll pour it in our githeri. Give it a little stir. We are done, so I'll just cover. Let it simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes and we'll be ready for serving. Right now our githeri is ready. It's eating time. at that. Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you so much.
See you in the next one.
Bye.